Learning how to edit videos is a great skill for any marketer to have. Not only is it a fun and creative process, but it allows you to produce your own content that is tailored to your marketing needs. If you're getting started with video editing, here are the 3 skills you'll need to master. Number 1, cutting. The cuts are the foundation of your video. Knowing when and where to cut will help your video maintain its pace, remove irrelevant information, and help you better communicate your story. The length of your videos should be no longer than they need to be, so be sure to cut out all of the ums and ahs or any information that isn't necessary. And cut. Number 2, sound. One of the most important aspects of any video is its sound. Whether it's music, a voiceover, or dialogue, your sound needs to be clear and mixed to a correct volume. Choosing the right song will take time, so make sure it's copyright-free and suits the mood of your video. There are lots of effects that you can add to your audio to make it sound clear and less noisy. So don't settle for something like this. Learn how to get the best out of your audio. Number 3, exporting. If you're planning on sharing your video across different platforms, you'll need to ensure that you know how to export them to the correct resolutions and aspect ratios to maximize the size and quality of each platform. Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram all have different requirements, so be sure to take note before you export your video. And that's a wrap on the top editing skills you'll need to master as a school marketer. If you're after more information on video editing, we've created a resource on the Digistorm blog. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to our Digistorm YouTube channel. See you next time!